Introducing the DuraGlide knife holder mount from Tidland. An upgrade from the EasyGlide and standard dovetail guide bar designs, the DuraGlide is fully interchangeable with all existing Tidland guide bar. This new system uses precision, low-friction components to easily slide and position the knife holder. The parallel rail design reduces play prior to locking the knife holder, making it easier for the operator to correctly set the cutting point between the upper blade and the lower anvil. The DuraGlide uses polymer linear bearing inserts that are less prone to sticking from dust and other contaminants. These inserts are easily removable and simple to replace if they get worn or damaged. Upgrading to the DuraGlide mount design is simple. Remove the existing guide bar and replace it with the DuraGlide. Both use the same bolt pattern and will position the knife holders to the exact same location. Then swap out the existing backplate on the knife holder with the new DuraGlide backplate and install the knife holder back on the machine. For more information, visit us at maxcessintl.com.